Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Creative Fashion Hub. Guys, I hope you are well. So guys, today I'm going to show you some fashion designing illustration sketches you can sketch through these designs. So guys, if you are beginner, you should use poster color and stapler color for sketching. And guys, if you want to watch more videos about sketching, you can go to the playlist of the channel. There are many designs sketching, like Indo-Western dress sketches there, jeans and shorts, other types sketches there. So that videos will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to watch more videos about designing and related to fashion designing, so you can go to the playlist of the channel. There are also embroidery designs, stitching designs, and different types: sleeves designs, neck designs, skirts designs, trouser pant, palazzo, Indo-Western, Naira pattern, other very beautiful dresses designs there. So guys, if you want to watch more videos about designing, so guys, hit the like button and don't forget subscribe button, and don't forget hit the bell icon for further details about designing. So guys, don't forget hit the like button and subscribe button. So guys, I will make you more videos about designing for further details. Thanks for watching.